Signet Info Tech, and I bring to you 21 Conversations. In this series, we'll be talking to 21 different people from Signet Info Tech who will talk about business, leadership, the world of information technology, and about their own experiences and many more things. So here we go. We are here at a very historical printing press called Navjeevan. It was conceptualized by Mahatma Gandhi centuries ago. And to know more about how Signet Info Tech is connected to this place, we have with us Mr. Apurva Ashar.
Hello. You must be wondering what Signet Info Tech, an IT company, has in common with like Navjeevan Trust in Gandhiji. So, almost a century ago, as Arushi said, in year 1919, Gandhiji, after coming back from South Africa, when he came back to India and he started his work in India, the first thing he decided to do was to communicate with people. So today we cannot imagine our world without communication. You know, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, so many things that we are using for communicating. So Gandhiji, a century ago, was a communicator. He wanted to be in touch with people, and that was the vehicle of our freedom. So he started a magazine called Navjeevan. Navjeevan literally means new life, and Navjeevan started in 1919. Right now, let me say that we are very closely and very intimately connected with Navjeevan and its activities. We'll share more as we move on. 2 years ago, on my Facebook page, a young boy, on some page asked that can I get this book in EPUB format? So anything about EPUB, raises my eyebrows and I just become attentive. So I asked him, why do you want it? This was a 14-year-old boy from some village in Gujarat, and he said that he is completely blind. So he cannot read, but he wants to read Tarak Mehta's books, he wants to read Ashwini Bhatt's books, and he can read them if they are available in EPUB format. I said, I have 1000 books available in EPUB format. So all you have to do is, download the eShabda app and start reading them. And that is how my association with that young guy. And then, we may not have those books available for sale on eShabda, but I would create such kind of books for him. So he would start asking for the book, and then I just find out the data of that book or recreate the data of the book and send it privately to his eShabda account, and he used to read it. So this is a very interesting part of technology and publishing, and that joy is uncomparable.
So I know you've done many memorable work in this particular field, but if you had to choose one or two, what would that be?
That's unfair, Arushi, because so many books are so close and so dear to me. But since we are at Navjeevan, I'll start with a book which is sitting right in front of me, a Navjeevan publication. This was a book. This book is called Hind Swaraj, and it is a very unique book. Gandhiji wrote this book in his own handwriting while he was traveling from London to South Africa on a ship, and he wrote this book in Gujarati, and this book has a history. And I had a chance of redoing this book. So this is a very memorable book. I'll just show this book to you. This is a sketch of Gandhiji at that age, 1909. And this is Hind Swaraj. This is khadi we got from Banaras. We have used excellent printing technology to have screen printing done on this khadi paper. The entire book is printed on khadi paper. This was a challenge. Because the khadi and handmade paper, they contain a lot of dust. The paper is so uneven. It was, so many presses were changed before we finally did this. And this is a unique book. the entire design is not mine. This was done some years ago in 2009. We have redone this book on khadi paper, and this is a unique production. And it's so exciting that when President of India gives gift to any dignitaries visiting India, they do this box. They give this box as a gift to the dignitaries. I created before we started our journey at Navjeevan, and this book is a pictorial journey of a poet called Suresh Dalal. And at the inauguration of this book, many dignitaries were present in the auditorium. A few of them would be Murari Bapu, Pankaj Patel, the owner of Zydus Kerala, and now PM, Mr. Narendra Modi. He was CM then. So he was present in the auditorium. And Suresh Dalal, the book is about Suresh Dalal. He said in front of all of them that Apurva Asher is Satyajit Ray of Gujarati publishing industry. That is a moment that is etched in my memory.
Thank you so much for allowing us to come to Navjeevan and explore so many beautiful things that we have done today.
I have to thank you. And on camera, I am asking all the signatories, feel free to come and meet me and visit this wonderful place. This is our place, right? Welcome.